Etihad Stadium is one of Australia's premium sporting and entertainment complexes. 50,000 plus spectators attend Etihad Stadium for various events.
The audio system at Etihad Stadium is absolutely vital. We couldn't operate an event without it. Inside Systems provide a comprehensive service to Honeywell at Etihad Stadium. They're available to us 24/7. They do remote monitoring for us, as well as scheduled servicing and preventative maintenance.
We've consulted with the stakeholders at Etihad Stadium to design and construct a world-class distributed audio system. This includes front of house, arena bowl PA, and conferencing room systems.
One of the solutions we provide at Etihad Stadium is 24/7 remote monitoring. This means that we have a topographical map based at our Mitcham head office, and we are easily able to see when issues arise. Another solution we provide for Etihad Stadium is preventative maintenance. So this means that we attend regularly to Etihad and ensure that all equipment is functioning as needed.
We've had a long-term relationship with Honeywell, over 20 years, supporting them and the stadium, making sure that they've got a system that works, making sure that they've got the latest in technology, and that the system's delivering on what it needs to.
Inside Systems have been a fantastic support and partner here at Etihad Stadium. Couldn't recommend them more highly as a service provider and a project team.